Yes, yes. So that is for the champions.
Like sir also is one of our leader in MMA. Then we have our president.
We hardly meet him, during these hours. So it shows how special Josh is and his.
Welcome. Thank you to you. We talked on the phone and you helped us a lot. Thank you to Rome. You made this happen. And like I said, man, you guys have a world champion.
It's not much of encouragement after they saw you, they feel that they. So you.
I saw a couple fighters in the airport. Yeah. I see
Where is Jonathan? Jonathan, I think it is he who. Initially, a visa was rejected. Only after I sent my dear letter there. So his city is also